I can assure you that today we have more than 20 combat drones in Burkina, so there's no reason for you to be ambushed. And when we say combat drones, they are there to support, and they are usually waiting for signal, but most times they are not called. So you promise me here and now that you will never let yourself surprised again. We didn't pay for combat drones just like that. We paid for them so you can watch and tell us that we see them and they are coming where there is and that. If we are going to stop paying for observation drones only, which are less expensive, we won't eliminate them. So don't sleep. Come rain, come wind, we don't sleep. In the rain, we don't sleep. That's why I've come to meet you today. Bad weather is not a time for weakness. You have to stay awake in the rain. I don't want to hear anymore. We are under attack. We have 20 combat drones in the sky. No excuse. These are the words of Captain Ibrahim Traore to his armed forces, to his soldiers, to his military personnel. He had a meeting with them, sort of motivation to boost their morale, letting them know what is involved, what is at stake, and the need to put in more effort in what they do. That is a good one. One thing I like about this guy is that he's so focused in his security department, and he's also investing a lot. He's been lots of military equipment. He's been buying to ensure that there are no loopholes, to make sure that there are no loopholes. That is a good one, and I commend him for that. He's really investing so much in his defense force, and that's a good one, because the level of insecurity in Africa, especially in the Sahel region, is alarming. That is a good one. Thank you so very much again for your time. I don't take it for granted. Hope to see you in my next as I bring your way again more trending news. Bye.